So now we are beginning with our very new chapter, chapter 20, famous scientists. Be ready with your books and jot down whatever I am teaching. So your question reads as, identify the following scientists who have performed outstandingly in their fields. Select your answer from the pictures shown on the right. First, he changed the world of science with his brilliant work in theoretical physics. He is known around the world for his theories, equation, ideas. The answer is Albert Einstein. The answer is Albert Einstein. Second, he developed the theory of universal gravitation as well as the famous three laws of motion, forever leaving a remark on physics, astronomy, and mathematics. The answer is Isaac Newton. I repeat, the answer is Isaac Newton. Third, he developed the telescope and used them to make revolutionary observation about objects like the moon that orbit Jupiter. And the answer is Galileo Galilei. I repeat, the answer is Galileo Galilei. Fourth, she is known for a lifelong study of behavior of chimpanzee in social situation, as well as being a tireless animal rights advocate and humanitarian. The answer is Jane Goddard. Fifth one, known as the father of nuclear physics, this New Zealand born chemist won a Nobel Prize in chemistry, developed a new model of atoms, and mentored other scientists. The answer is Ernest Rutherford. The answer is Ernest Rutherford. We begin with our 21st chapter. The name of this chapter is Talented Techies. It's on page number 33. So let's begin and gather some information. Your questions start with, some famous technocrators of modern mold are shown below. Match the person with the achievements. The first technocrats are Larry Page and Sergey Brin. And the answer is E. Founders of Google, the world of information. The answer is E. Second one is Jane Combe and Brian Acton. The answer is A. Founders of WhatsApp, a popular mobile messaging application. Third is Jack Ma, and the answer is B. Founder of Alibaba, the world's largest B2B company. Fourth one is Elon Musk, and the answer is G. Founder of SpaceX that recently launched first reusable Falcon 9. Fifth one, Jimmy Wales, and the answer is H. Founder of Wikipedia, a global encyclopedia. Sixth, Steve Chen and Chad Larry, and the answer is D. Founders of YouTube, a video sharing app. The seventh one is Mark Zuckerberg, and the answer is F. Creator of popular social network Facebook. Eighth one is Jeff Bezos, and the answer is founder of Amazon, world's biggest e-commerce company. A new chapter, the chapter name is Alternative Medicine Practices. It's on page number 34. The question begins as, identifying the following alternative medicine therapies. Take help from the box given below. The first one is a traditional Hindu system of medicine that believes to cure an illness by setting the imbalance of body system rightly. It uses plants and herbs for medicinal purposes, and the answer is C. Ayurveda. I repeat, the answer is C. Ayurveda. Second, a Japanese therapy that means finger pressure. It uses the pressure of hand and fingers on the affected body points, and the answer is A. Shiatsu. Third, an Asian form of Chinese medicine in which fine needles are inserted into specific body points or the point to relieve pain. It has been also used successfully in the patients during surgery, and the answer is D. Acupuncture. The fourth one is, this healing system was founded by Persian Hakim ibn Sina in the 10th century. It uses extracts from herbs, plants, and minerals to prepare medicines to cure a patient, and the answer is E. Unani. Fifth one, originated in Japan, this healing technique means universal life energy. It is based on the principle that the therapist can channel energy into patient by means of touch to activate the natural healing process of the patient's body and restore physical and emotional well-being. And the answer is B. Reiki. So that's it. Now in this chapter what we studied was about different therapies which we use as an alternate to the medicine practices. We here in this processes we avoid taking medicines and henceforth do all these techniques. Now we are going to start with a new chapter, chapter 23. The name of the chapter is Computer Care. It's on page number 35. So your question reads as A. Take the correct option. The first one is, which of the following topology is connected with the shape of closed loop? A option is bus, B option is tree, C option is star, D option is ring, and the correct option is D, ring. I repeat, the correct option is D, ring. Question second, the main powerful computer that manages the resources is known as A. workstation, B. server, C. hub, D. client, and the correct answer is B. server. Third, individual computer on a network is called as A. node, B. protocol, C. topology, D. switch, and the answer is A. node. Fourth, IP stands for A. Internet profile, B. Internet protocol, C. Internet product, D. Internet pair. And the answer is B. Internet protocol. I repeat, the answer is B. Internet protocol. Fifth one, dash cables provides point-to-point connection between computer. A. twisted cable, B. coaxial, C. fiber optic, D. laser. And the answer is C. fiber optic. Question 6. In which topology workstations or computer are connected in a linear way? Option A tree, option B star, option C ring, option D bus, and the answer is option D bus. Now your question B is expand the following terms. The first one is LAN, and the full form of LAN is local area network. I repeat, the full form is local area network. The second one is WWW, and the full form is World Wide Web. Third one is TCP. The full form is Transmission Control Protocol. Question 4 is WAN, that is Wide Area Network. So fifth one is NIC, that is NIC. The full form of it is Network Interforce Cast. I repeat, it is Network Interforce Cast. Last one is MAN, MAN, that is Metropolitan Area Network. That's it, guys. We have completed the chapter. Now we are moving to a new chapter. The name of our chapter is Cool Chemistry, which is our 24th chapter. It is on page number 36. Be ready with your books and kindly note down whatever I am saying. So your given question is, first, the property of substance of observing moisture from air on the exposure. Option A, dissolution, B, deliquescence, D, hydration. The answer is B, deliquescence. Question 2, a substance which is made up of two or more elements combined in a definite proportion by weight is called as A, element, B, compound, C, mixture. And the answer is B, compound. Question 3, the atoms of same element having the same atomic number but different atomic weight are called A, isotopes, B, isomers, C, isobars, and the answer is C, isobars. Question 4, hydrogen was discovered by A. Henry Moissan, B. Henry Cavendish, C. Henry Hens Oersted, and the answer is B. Henry Cavendish. Fifth, the chemical formula of cobalt is ACD, B. Ca, C. CO, and the correct answer is C. CO. Sixth one, the chemical decomposition of a substance by water is called as A. electrolysis, B. hydrolysis, C. hydrogenation, and the correct answer is B. hydrolysis. Seventh one, the gas that is a supporter of combustion is A. nitrogen, B. carbon monoxide, C. oxygen, and the correct option is C. oxygen. Question 8. Boron, silicon, germanium and antimony are A. metals, B. non-metals, C. metalloids, and the correct option is C. metalloids. The chemical formula of table salt is A. NaCl, B. CaCl2, C. NH4Cl, and the correct option is A. NaCl. So this was your 9th question. Now moving to our last question, which is 10th. The reaction copper sulfate plus zinc gives you zinc sulfate plus copper is an example of A. combination reaction, B. displacement reaction, C. decomposition reaction. The correct answer is B. displacement reaction. So that's it for today. From tomorrow we are going to start with a new chapter, that is games and entertainment portion.